Okay, so from the MindMeister dashboard, we want to click on New Mind Map. And here that will give you some templates to choose from. You can choose to, if you don't see anything you like there, you can go to the Browse Template Library and look at the different categories. They have some other options. But for now, I'm just going to choose a blank template. And then what that will do is give you a new mind map, and with a central idea bubble there, so you can just type in what you want that to be. And I'm going to make mine a Reading Foundations mind map. Okay, so from here now we want to create our first level topics. To do that, there are three ways. You can either choose the plus sign up here, which will give you a first level bubble. If I just hit enter, that's closed now. What I can also do is make sure that your main topic is selected, and you know it's selected because it has this blue dot here. If that's selected, then I can hit tab, and that will give me another first level topic. I'm going to name that Comprehension Strategies. Oops. Okay, and one last way is to you can also just double click inside the mind map, and that will give you a first level topic. I'm going to name that Vocabulary Knowledge. Okay, and I'm just going to add one more first level topic, again by hitting tab. Again, word identification strategies. Okay, so from here now we want to be able to add our second level topics. So I'm making sure that my first level, where I want the second level topics to be, I have my first level selected. And then from here now we want to use the tab sign, the tab key, and that will give me a second level topic. So I'm going to add those. Hit enter. Now when you hit enter, that closes the topic. If I hit enter again, that will add another second level topic or a sibling. And I'm just going to add a few more. Oops. Now you can see that I needed to go back and edit, so I can just click inside that bubble so you can edit the text. Click tab one. Oops, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have clicked tab. Now, actually, I'm glad I did that, because now you can see that before you start typing, that bubble isn't really permanent. So if you make a mistake and you didn't type anything yet, you can just go back. So from here I want to hit enter to close it, and then enter to add my last sibling topic. So enter closes that topic. Okay, so then that's just the basics of how to create the mind map. You can just add, if I wanted to add something to this vocabulary knowledge first topic, then I could select that and again hit tab, and you see that will add on as the second level topic. If I want to go back to fluency, if I didn't have anything for vocabulary knowledge, but I had something for fluency, oops. Then again I can hit tab, or actually I will show you, instead of hitting tab, you can also hit the plus sign up here, and I'll make my other second level topic. Okay, some other things that I want to point out at this point are just some of the toolbars. If you notice, we've used the plus sign, but there's other things up here, and on my handout I included what each of those represent, but you can also notice them when you hover over them. It will tell you what each one does. There's also a toolbar over here where you can zoom in or zoom out. The other thing is you can move your mind map around just by moving the screen. It's kind of like a handle or a hand where you can move it. And then there's also some other things you can change map layout and the map options. I'm not going to go into those right now. What we will be doing in the next lesson is learning how to edit our mind map and add things. So go on to the next lesson to learn all those topics.